It's your girl Shell, and look, I has new hair. I have new hair. Yeah, I'm letting this grow out, and so I thought I would chop off a great deal of the black that I had. We cut off 8 inches. It was wild. It was wild. There was a pile on the floor that, oh my stars. So, and no, it couldn't be donated because it's dyed hair. I usually do donate it to a project that cleans up after oil spills and whatnot. They use hair that can't be donated for kids' wigs, and you can use pet hair, whole 9 yards. This time I didn't do that because since we're in quarantine and, still kind of locked down, I really don't want to go anywhere. So going to the post office, standing there waiting to mail a package, no, the environment can forgive me for once. So, anywho, I stopped petting my new hair here. Wanted to talk about lashes today. Ran across a thing on Facebook. It's right there in my eyes. Ran across a thing on Facebook a few days ago, and there was somebody talking about magnetic lashes. Now, no, this isn't magnetic lashes, so sorry. But we were talking about lashes and application and how to and so forth, and I've already kind of done that. I've already done like a care and feeding of your mink or your synthetic lashes, but I thought I would share a couple of little tricks that I have. As you guys know, love my lashes, absolutely, can't live without them. I'm a lash addict at this point. I have a whole drawer full. One of those storage cube dealies. Yeah, one of those is full of lashes. So I have a problem. And the first step to having a problem is admitting you have the problem. I know this. Anywho. So I thought I would share a couple of application tricks, and this will work on your regular lashes, something that's very thin and wispy and cute and flirty, and especially great for big bad boys like this. These are my preferred style of lashes. So, but this will work on both. So, if you are having, one of those days where you've got glitter, or, it's got kind of a satiny, glittery finish on it, but if you're wearing like a thicker, chunkier glitter, glue is notoriously hard to stick to that. It's a couple of tricks. Firstly, this is something that I love to do. I will put on my lash glue. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to clip back these bangs. Ta-da! Isn't that a look? Alright. So this is my AOA adhesive. Shop Missy, $1. It's my other go-to. Kiss. This is aloe. This one is latex free, which is great. Now, for putting on lashes, that's another thing. You can have latex free glue. These bad boys come with a little bit of stickum on them to keep them in the packaging. Check the ingredients, if there is any listed, to make sure that doesn't have latex in it. If you're trying a new pair of lashes, take them out, put them on your finger. with that, just that stickum on it. See if you have a reaction before you put it on your eyes. I know a couple of people with a latex allergy. Sis. All right. Anyway, so glue application. You can take your regular lash glue, put it directly on your eyeliner. Or if you're not wearing eyeliner, just right above your lash line. This is going to give you pretty much the same effect as a magnetic lash without the expense. So, put it on just like your eyeliner. That way, it's gonna stick. Now, second little tip. If you have a pair of massive bad boys like this, I want to make sure I've got the right lash. Right lash with the right job. There it is. And don't open your eyes too big while you're doing this. You'll stick yourself. Now, while you're waiting for that to get tacky, get a shot of your lash glue on these big bad boys. And give that a blow. And then putting your lashes on, you can go in with a finger. They have these little doodahs. Or you can go in with a set of tweezers. I have gotten a lot of practice, so I usually just go in with my fingers. So here we go. I usually try and stick it back corner. To front corner. You have a little time to work with it. I'll show you with the doodah here. So you want to rearrange it. You can do that. I feel like I have more control with my fingers. That's why I do it that way. And then just give them a minute, let them sit. We'll do the other eye. I'll be right back. Okay, so had to give them a little bit of time to dry down because you're talking about 2 layers of glue here. So these bad boys are not going to go anywhere. Hurricane force winds. Your eyelids will be flapping like this, but they're not going anywhere. So now's the time to get a real good close-up look to make sure that everything is covered up. You know, that your lashes here are blending in. So you can take your favorite mascara, and I already put just a smidge of mascara on beforehand, just the itsy bitsiest. But you can take and go right in, right next to it. You want to make sure your lash glue is dry before you do this. You'll start pulling them off. But get those lashes. And get them to blend. you want to kind of look down and in. So, you know, if you've got somebody coming in for a smooch, they don't see line, band. Ugh. You know what I mean. And then, once the mascara is dry, if you need to, you can go in with an eyelash curler, like one of these. They also have the ones that go straight in to kind of press them together. Or you can take your tweezers or your lash tweezers, slide them in together. Or heck, you can even take your fingers. Make those two sets of lash, make sure those two sets of lashes stick together. Of course, that also means hitting those with mascara, you're going to have to clean them more often, but that's okay. Showed you how to do that. It's a simple 5-10 minute thing. A little bit of micellar water, a little soap and water, depending on what your type of lashes are. Bingo, bango. So, super stuck lashes without the need or the expense of the magnetic ones. Because your lash glue, it's going to be a couple of bucks. This is easily replaceable. Whereas the magnetic lash glue, if you can find it in stores, if you can find it online. And then lashes, you can get like a 15-20 pack of lashes on Amazon for 10 bucks. You can find individual lash retailers. You know, these are the Michelada lashes that I went over from Glamlight last week. These are probably $7, $8, but still, cheap lashes, expensive lashes, they're going to last you 20, 30 wears. Wash them, take care of them. If you buy cheap ones, you wear them once, you throw them away. Bing, bang, boom, done. So, this is me and my new hair and an easy, breezy 10-minute thing on lashes. So, there you go. All right, you guys take care. I love you. All of my social stuff, as always, down below. Hit me up with comments, questions, concerns, something you want to see next time. I'll try and make it happen. Love you guys. Bye.